In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Lottie animation in Wix Studio. Whether you're a web design newbie or a seasoned pro, this guide will help you seamlessly incorporate engaging animations into your projects, making your sites more dynamic and interactive. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Wix Studio, which is specifically designed for agencies and enterprises. If you haven't visited the platform before, you can find it easily by searching for Wix Studio in your browser. Once you're on the site, go to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Click on it to proceed with accessing your account. Now, if you're like most users, keeping track of multiple passwords can be a hassle, which is why Wix Studio offers a convenient login option via Google. Simply click continue with Google and the platform will guide you through the authorization process, ensuring it's both fast and secure. This way you can keep all your work linked and systematically organized without needing an additional password. Once you're logged in and ready to work, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, look for the plus icon, which is typically situated on the left panel. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your project. Click on it to reveal a list of different assets you can include on your page. From the options that appear, select Media. While choosing media might sound broad, this category covers all kinds of visual content you can add, including Lottie animations. After selecting media, you'll see several subsequent options, but our focus here is on Lottie. Click on it to move forward. Once you've done that, you should now see various Lottie animation choices. Go ahead and click on Lottie animation. Doing so will open a new window that allows you to make further customizations and changes. This is where the fun begins. Next, select Change Animation. This step is crucial because it's where you'll customize your animation choice either by browsing through available templates or uploading your own Lottie file. Now, if you have a specific Lottie animation you'd like to add, you'll need the animation's URL. By entering the URL, you're integrating the animation directly into your project, providing a seamless visual experience for your site's visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a Lottie animation into your Wix Studio project. Following these simple steps ensures that your website will not only look more professional, but also more engaging for your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to come back anytime you need a quick refresher on adding dynamic content to your Wix Studio sites. Happy designing!